stomach! John, can you fucking end me? Brought a knife that actually works.
There's a bridge coming up.
Time to jump. It's like our next food review location.
Oh shit! Yes.
Feel really nice to fucking blow my asshole in half when I get home. And then
We're almost to Mickey D's, don't worry.
Ow, my bones.
Hey, you remember SpongeBob the movie, correct?
Yeah.
In this scene where they start slapping themselves so that they can impress the monsters, some cunt on YouTube replaced all of the slap sounds with the oof.
Oh, dude, I know.
It's the best video ever.
I want to see it again. I don't have to charge my phone at McDonald's.
Yeah.
No, trespassing. Why can't we trespass for them? What do you got out there, government?
I've been told that the government could just look through any camera through anyone's phone and just spy on them. Well,
eat my ass. Looks like a good place to kill myself.
yeah, your mother wants you to. If your friends jumped off the bridge, would you too? What?
Already a familiar face.
You know how upset I would be if that was just the end of my phone. Isn't this a lovely view?
Yes.
This should be my swan song. So you're here before you die. Yeet! Hop over it.
Yeet!
My man can't jump except off a bridge. We're pretty good at that.
You know, I'd rather pull a Chester Bennington on this bridge.
What did he do?
He hung himself, don't you remember? He used to be the singer for Linkin Park, the emo band.
Oh.
It turned out he was for real about it. These are great lyrics for this band. No, I'm for real. Dude, you're playing the character too well, but alright. Oh, nice acting, dude. You're hanging from the rope. Real nice. More revenue.
Probably got a lot of revenue from his death.
They did, actually. What sauce?
Yeah, sweet and sour, barbecue. Oh, there is.
What the heck, my pee-pee hard?
What the fuck? My PBR!
What the heck, my pee-pee
What the
hard?
fuck? I have Tourette's. I'm about to pull up on this motherfucking can. This can's been fucking with me. Here we come. Here we fucking come! Oh, fuck. Here we go. Finish the job.
Guy, you call me fucker?
Fuck yeah. Gang gang shit. Gang motherfucking gang. Fuck out of here, can. I don't support litter, which is why I left the trash on the ground. Time to fucking jump.
Keep my life!
Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. I come from a land down under. I wanna fucking die. Cut my life into pieces. This is plastic fork.
Oh, we're halfway there!
No, we're not. We're 1/4 Squidward on a chair.
Want to join my free gift card giveaway?
Yeet. Lemon on a pear.
Want to join my...
Let's see if it's out there.
I don't see it anymore. It says by the way.
Gross, what the fuck?
What if I had another empty one? I got my learner's permit.
I didn't bring my motherfucking damn ham. Bring my wallet.
Women getting stoned.
Whoops. No.
If you're happy, I'm gonna fucking die.
Hey, look, it's us. The fuck you looking at? I'll fucking pull up on you, boy. Oh shit, he's coming closer, run! I didn't think he'd actually come. It's okay. Sorry, he's way taller than I fucking thought. Oh shit. Man, that bee'd be like 8 feet tall. Oh shit! Oh shit! Pussies!
Dude, they're doing the same thing we are. The fuck? What the fuck your pee-pee hard?
Fucking finger your dick hole. Ah, dude, what if those guys back there thought that we were flipping them off?
Oh.
They're just standing there.
Dude, let's just keep walking.
Menacingly.
Dude, let's keep walking just in case those guys come back.
Okay.
Standing there. Menacingly.
Wee woo, wee woo. What the fuck, my pee-pee hard? What the fuck?
Dude, I remember there was a homeless guy sitting on this part of the bridge, and I was riding my bike through here because there's a summer tennis camp, and I went to it because I want to get good at tennis. And this guy wanted to get into a conversation with me, and it lasted like 5 minutes. It was so awkward. This guy started talking about my bike. Hey, you should put a motor on that shit, my dude.
Oh fuck. That guy didn't have a license plate. Oh shit. Oh shit. What's the percent at? The fucking screen brightness. The fuck?
The fuck makes you be hard.
Whatever. Okay. Oh dude. What the fuck is this?
Yep.
Alright guys, welcome back to another legit food review. We're gonna hit me in the fucking nuggets. The fuck? No one's even close to me.
I know.
Ow! It fucking hurts!
I don't think it was in frame.
Was this in frame? Take a look at this first. Those aren't, it's not pepper. Was that inside? No, there's 3 nuggets saved. You already know what the fuck's going on. It's okay.
Yeah, this is gonna turn on anyone with a scat fetish.
Oh, a piece of glass. Did that hit the camera?
Yeah.
There's so much fucking dirt everywhere. Okay. Taste. 9/11. McDonald's is my shit. Fill my arteries. Texture. Probably about a 5. There's some dirt in here.
No shit, Sherlock.
Look, there's dirt on this. Give me the fucking sauce.
Fuck you.
He wants to get fucked.
I got you, fam.
Give me that shit.
Are you kidding me? No, you don't.
Who was that?
I don't know. Just drink that. It was already open. Remember, the phone died. Oh yeah, to all you people, the phone died. So we're concluding our review. Are you kidding me?
I just wanna let you know.
Napkins.
Oh shit.
Carlos, what the fuck?
Oh. No way!
I can feel the sourness on my skin. I'm gonna get cancer. Give me that
Oh,
shit.
there's a mosquito. I don't want malaria. Here,
I got it, dude.
dude, you're gonna get so much acne on your face.
Keep in mind, these came from the dirt. We dropped all of them in the dirt. The camera died, and then I picked up the box and I fucking dropped all of them in.
What do? I need to get the napkins. You know, I think.
We don't have napkins.
Yes, we do. They're in the bag.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Oh shit! I can set your phone down right there. You still need to go get your knife.
Taste. 11 still. Texture. I'm currently chewing on dirt. You could hear it, but I can't from my skull. Give that a pretty good 9. I like dirt. Tummy feel? Well, after I farted at about 60 PSI, my stomach feels much better. So, I'll give that one a 10 as well. I fucking ripped ass, dude. Guaranteed there was... Guaranteed there was at least 60 PSI against my asshole. You ready to get your ass opened?
Alright, how did we even start the video again? Oh, I want to die.
I'm gonna do it.
You wouldn't.
I would. Ouch.
Wait, what happened?
Fucking cut it. I thought this knife was too dull.
Mine isn't.
Oh, fuck off. I gotta clean my knife when I get home. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye. Fuck off. Kill yourself.